Good morning, students. Today we start with the pest of sugar cane. And according to your syllabus, there are 3 pests which are included in your syllabus. First of all, we start with Spirilla purpusilla. The common name is sugarcane leafhopper. Now comes to the distribution. Distributed throughout the India. Alternative food plants other than sugarcane, it feeds on the barley, wheat, oat, maize. All these are and Sudan grass. All these are alternative host plants for this pest. Next, the life history. Life history breeds on throughout the year. And they lays egg under the surface of the leaves, and especially in the summer season, April to May. Now comes to the life cycle. If you can see here, I draw a small life cycle of this pest. Female lays eggs around 300 to 500. In 8 to 10 days, it hatches into the nymph. Nymph is 1 mm long, and after the 4 weeks it hatches. It took 5 more and 8 weeks. After this time, it changes into or metamorphoses into the adult form of their life cycle. Now comes to the adult leafhopper. Morphology of the adult leafhopper. It has a soft body, light brown coloring, and 5 mm long. Sharp pointed beak, that is the main characteristic of the feature. The general diagram of this insect you can see in the figure 2.2. Then after this, it also has a pair of red eyes and a pair of whitish brown anal processes. Again, it is a peculiar character of this insect. Now comes to the systematic position. Family is a Fulguridae, order is a Homoptera. If we talk about the damage caused by this insect, it is very dangerous pest if their heavy infestation is occur in the field. Then around 30 to 35 cause the crop loss. Then it also suck the plant or cell sap. Due to the sucking of the cell sap, the plant or sugarcane becomes dry, and also it secretes during their feeding process, they secrete the honeydew. That is a sticky fluid, sweet sticky fluid, which is released by the pest on the sugar canes. Actually, then honeydew invites the various microorganisms for the further different kind of diseases, like they invite bacteria, fungus. Further, they cause various kinds of diseases to the same plant. In this way, it damages the whole crop. In case of the control measures, how can we control or manage this population of this pest? Now, very simple 2-3 points are considered in this. First, you collect the eggs and then they burn it with fire, or you can also spray the phenyl water on the eggs. Next is you can use insect baits in the field where sugar cane is planted, and also you can use मार्केट में जो केमिकल अवेलेबल है, दैट इज़ एंडोसल्फान और फेनिथ्रोथायन. These are 2 chemicals which are easily available in the market. तो उसको भी आप स्प्रे कर सकते हो जिससे फसल में इसकी इन्फेस्टेशन है. तो these are very basic measures to control the Spirilla purpusilla.